If you have a COROS running watch like this one, this is the Apex Pro 2, review up here and down here, then you might want to be able to use it with the Nike Run Club app. Well, the good news is you now can, and it could not be simpler. If you've linked a Garmin, Polar or other compatible smartwatch with the Nike Run Club app in the past, then you will be very familiar with this process because it's exactly the same. Launch the Nike Run Club app and from any of the pages, click on your avatar in the top left. From there, you want to hit Settings and then Partners. Here you will see all the brands that the Nike Run Club app works with, except Apple, but that's built into the Apple Watch, so you don't need to do any linking. If you have the latest version of the app, you will now see an icon for COROS. Hit that and it will launch Safari. Here it's going to ask you if you want to continue with the account that you are currently logged into, which I'm going to assume that you do. And if that's the case, then hit continue. There are options to log out and relog into another account if you so wish, but presumably the account that you're logged into already on the Nike Run Club app is the one that you want to link to COROS. After a short loading animation, maybe around 5 seconds, you should see this screen. This will show you that the two apps are now connected, and you're done. If it takes any longer than that, then you may have to kill the app and start the process again. I did have it hang once while I was filming this video, but I had previously linked the account, so it may be something to do with that. The beauty of this is that it works with all COROS watches, because you don't actually have to do anything on the watch itself. You are linking the COROS app to the Nike Run Club app. Any runs that you log in the COROS app will automatically be imported into the Nike Run Club app. Runs imported from a COROS device will show up automatically in the Nike Run Club app. This is normally a few seconds after they appear in the COROS app. You will know they are from a COROS device as they all have the COROS logo underneath them in the activity list, as well as in the top right hand corner when you go into the activity detail. In fact, you can see I actually have the same run logged in the app twice, one with a COROS device and one with a Garmin device. And yes, you can cheat Nike Run Club by running with two devices and logging them both in the app, but honestly, you're only cheating yourself. If we compare the two runs, one using the Apex Pro 2 and one using the Garmin 245 Music, you can see they've actually tracked the same metrics, albeit with slightly different figures, both of them having missed the cadence metric for some reason. Also, interestingly enough, if we compare the stats from Nike Run Club with the stats in the COROS app using the same device, they also slightly differ. You can see the average pace and the activity time are the same, but calories burned and average heart rate are different, which leads me to believe that some of the metrics are actually calculated within the app rather than on the device, and that would account for a slight difference. Just remember, this is the exact same run with the same device at the same time. It's just being imported into the two apps simultaneously. Either way, you will have your runs logged in both apps. If you have become accustomed to all of the metrics and graphs that you get in the COROS app, then be prepared to be disappointed, because you're not going to get any of those in the Nike Run Club app. In fact, you're only going to get what you see here. Another small detail which is missing is the device name. When you log a run in the COROS app, it will show you with which device you ran it. Admittedly, this is probably only useful for somebody like me who is constantly switching between different devices, but it can be handy to know which device you were using with which run. Once the initial import has taken place, to all intents and purposes, these are completely unrelated sets of stats. What do I mean by this? Well, any changes you make to either one of those sets of stats will only be reflected in that app. So if you change the name of the run, for instance, in the Nike Run Club app, that won't be reflected in the COROS app and vice versa. Same thing goes for if you're logging shoes or you needed to adjust the time or distance. There is no further sync between the two apps once the initial upload takes place. If you want to know more about how either the COROS app or the Nike Run Club app work, then I have full walkthroughs of both, which I will leave linked at the end of the video. Do you think that the addition of Nike Run Club support for COROS devices will make you more likely to buy one in the future? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll catch you in the next one.
And that's that. And that's that. Real rap. And that's that. Real. y'all like the story?